Hello friends, welcome back to another amazing video. And in this video I am going to let you know how you can download and install VLC Media Player. So friends, I have successfully opened my Chrome browser and I have connected with my internet connection as well. So this step number 2 is to search VLC Media Player and download VLC Media Player download. And here is the first website, that is videoland.com. You will open this, and if you are downloading for Windows, you can also search it will open like this one, but if you are downloading for Mac, you will search here for Mac, and here will be some website you can download this for your Mac operating system. So friends, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click on download VLC player. My internet connection is not too fast, it will take some time and it will just open. So I'm going to close this ad because I am not interested in this ad, sorry. Okay, it's about 9.5 megabytes. It is the file size, and you can see it will take a few seconds and I will have to wait for it. Let me see. I think so. Maybe I can have these files. Okay. Not VLC player is not installed on my PC. So friend, it will take some time, so I will have to wait for it. Okay friends, as you can see, our VLC player is installed now, and what I'm going to do, our VLC player is downloaded now. What I'm going to do, and I'm going to open this one, and you can open from here as well. So let me show. Okay friends, it will ask you permission from your Windows. So what will I do? I will click on yes, I want to install. Make sure that you are downloading this VLC Media Player from some trusted website, otherwise it can crack your PC as well and it can be harmful for your device. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click on next, and I will just I have already installed VLC player, so it is asking me to upgrade, so I will click on next, but it will not show you like this one. It will show you like install VLC Media Player, so you will agree and click on next. It will take a few seconds, and after that it will just install in your PC. So friends, as you can see, it is very simple to use. After extracting these files, here will be some button of finish. You will click on just finish, and your you will see VLC Media Player will get installed, and VLC Media Player will get installed in your PC. It will take a few seconds, so let's wait for it and let it be complete. Make sure friends, you are downloading from some trusted website, otherwise it will create some issue for you. It is asking you to run VLC player, so I will uncheck and click on finish. So friends, VLC Media Player will get installed in my PC. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.